Hi, our practical lab objectives today is to develop a repetition scratch code using soccer game. Hi guys, today I would like to demo how to create a coding, scratch a coding about the why and if. Today I would like to do it as some game of a soccer game to count how many goals and then with the uh, time. First, script, we need to create a variable time. But before that, we need to set up our uh, backdrop, find soccer. Okay, right, we already get which one soccer you like, soccer 2 or soccer only. Guys,
Soccer 2.
soccer 2. Okay, right. So default sprite they are give a cat, but actually that is not suitable. So we need to change to soccer player. So just use keyword soccer, and then you can delete for the sprite one. So the sprite name then you can rename it. So you can rename that costume. Okay, maybe you can put it player. You can rename or you cannot rename. That is depend on you. But now I'm rename to a player. All right. Band. So player A, player B. Oh, okay. I'm using the first layer player. Okay. Actually, for the band name is not changed, but never mind. Later on, we will check where the effect of the variable name. Here is a variable. We call the variable for the sprite. Okay. Now we need add the other thing is soccer ball. All right. In Malaysia, we call football. But this is a US. We stay at US, so we are using the term of soccer is football, because at America, the football is rugby. Okay, so we use American formats terms, so they call this soccer, right? So what we want to do is when this player touch and this ball we go to the try and kick to the goal. If truly if this ball through to the goal, so we will count that one goal, and then we be the ball will be randomly go everywhere and then touch that's a player, so that we strictly go to try to kick that ball to the goal. And then we have a time, okay, timer to make sure how many minutes that player can play. All right, so we have completely set up. Now first script we need to create a variable time and score, and then second we need to add the script to ball. So the ball we need to put in the script. So what's happened is the ball will be bounced on the edge. Okay, will be bounced. Any edge we touch, that will be unlimited move. So that is repetition happen there. If the ball touch the true sign, okay, so we need to put the other one sign. So yes, this one. So okay, now we put it here sign, or maybe you can change the other signs. Okay, you can use anything as one button. Okay, I like to using a button. Okay, So if that ball touch that button, that will be add one score. Add one score. You know, we always using the total equal total plus score. Right. So that will accumulative to total up that score. Okay. You remember that formula? Total equal total plus mark. So now we change that mark to the score. Okay. Total equal total plus score. All right. So you will get that one. Third script band. So this band, the name of the player is band. We cannot change the name, so we are using the original name. Band as a player will at the time, and most important must place stop all. So after done for the time, okay, we set how many minute we need to play, and then after done that time, so the play will be stopped. The game will be stopped. All right. So inside Y have a selection, and inside selection have the other selection. That is a very difficult. Right. So please pay attention to create these things. Firstly, we need to put it the time. How we put the time? Okay. So the time we need to create the variable actually. Okay, when control when wait, event. Okay, event. When click, oh no, not on that. Go. Okay, we set for the band first. Band first. Okay, make sure you are clicking on the band. Okay, as a player. So when click the green flag, set the time. Okay, now we need to set the time. Variable. Now we need to create a variable. Okay, so create a variable. Here is variable. Okay, what is the variable name? So we need to rename to time. So our new variable name is time. All right. So how many second? So we test this game for 20 seconds. Okay. So this is initialize. So usually you are using I, isn't it? Class, isn't it? Usually you are using I variable. So I variable is counter. Okay. So initialize counter. So now we are initialize a counter. The variable name we are using here is time. So we set to 20. And then we be to make a repeat. So go to control, repeat to so how many times you need to repeat? 30 times. And then wait per second, and then change time by, okay, we need to deduct. Okay, we need to deduct for the 30 times repetition by 1. This is updating value. So we need to find the variable we need to change. change here, that's mean updating value, updating counter. So we need to deduct 1 because we create a timer. You know timer. So when we set the 30 second, so that will be countdown 30, 29, 28, 27, and until 0. Okay, so we need to deduct. So I mentioned you all about the updating value. Updating value have a two situation. First is ascending or adding, increasing. Second is deducting. So we are using for the second situation. So that we deduct by 1. After that, we be stop all. We stop all for the control. Stop all. Okay. So after done 30-second loop up, it will stop all, include bouncing ball. Okay. The other script block is we will create the looping. Okay, we will create for the looping. Never stop to run for the mouse pointer. Okay, we find for the event. Okay, the other script, and then just put it forever. Okay, unlimited without a stop. And then we need to point toward mouse. Where is the point toward mouse? This one. Okay, this is we follow for the mouse pointer. So if you move around that your mouse pointer, okay, this player will be follow. Okay, the looping is never stop to run mouse pointer. Okay, dia akan pusing gerak. Okay, nak tengok ke dulu? Did you want to see the first script class? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, this is we not complete, but we try to show you. Can you see that's a player band follow the mouse pointer? That is good.
Yes, sir.
That is good. Okay, right. Okay, about the time and score, that will be automatic insert here after we done to do the script for the basketball. No, for the ball soccer. Okay, now we are putting the script inside this ball. Okay, so as usual, we are using control when click on the green flag, and then set the score. Set the score. How we can set the score? So find the set. Okay, and then we need to rename the variable. Actually, we need to create the other variable. Okay, rename. Wait, if we rename, it is make a list. So now, if you can see here, time is then our. Can you see here? Time is our variable name for the counter. Now we need the other. I afraid make a list. My block. Oh no 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 no. We need to create the other. Oh no. Oh wait. We need.
Make a variable.
Ha. Dekat mana? All Dekat mana? We need to.
Kat atas tu. Make a variable.
This one. So I'm actually afraid if I'm rename that time variable, so the previously block will be changed the name. So I afraid that happens. So actually I need to create the other variable, make variable. So the next variable we need to create is score. Okay, score. Right, so score here. So now we change score. Set time, set score to 0. Now we actually initiate the score equal to 0. If you can remember, if you want to find the total, okay, in a repetition, did you remember the total equal total plus number? We want to update the total value. So we need to initialize that total as a 0. Can you remember that? The total need value initialize total is 0 because for the next step we will add the score value using the formula score equal score plus something. Maybe we need the other variable. Okay. So maybe we need to calculate that in our pseudocode. But now we on programming language, so there is a little difference. Okay, now go to mouse pointer. So go to mouse pointer. Go to where is go to mouse pointer. Yes, here. Go to mouse pointer, and then we need to repeat. Okay, go to control forever. Yes, this control structure for the repetition non-stop. Okay, motion move 10 step. Okay, now we are creating script for the soccer ball. Okay, don't forget it. And then inside here we will put it selection. If on edge, bounce. So this is a ready-made command. So if here, so if on edge, bounce. So kalau dia tersentuh edge ni, dia akan bounce, dia akan melenting. Tung 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 tung. So that is similar with balls action. Okay, dia akan melenting. Right. So kita dah bina dah sifat dia. And then kita buat lagi condition if the touch the goal. Okay, goal ni the touch. Sebenarnya button ni kalau boleh cari yang lebih elok lah. Saya nak cari yang saya buat yang mana lah yang elok sikit Okay, kotak ni. Ni ada ni. Okay. Kalau sentuh sini. Okay. Nama dia button 3. Okay, button 3. So kalau dia sentuh je button 3 ni, so akan dikira goal lah. Okay, button 3 ni. Besar
Kalau
ke?
buat dia disappear tu,
Hah?
kalau buat dia disappear, macam tak nampak. Tapi di atas itu.
Itulah transparent. Kena set transparent rasanya. Tapi bahaya juga kalau set transparent. Dia akan, saya takut dia hilang.
Waktu tu kalau tak show tu kat bawah tu,
Mana.
belah kanan atas pada sprite. Sebelah kiri sprite.
Ni. Saya
Tak
cuba.
show.
Saya cuba jap. Saya takut dia takkan detect. Nampak tak cantik sebenarnya. Kita kena letak goal lah situ. Tapi kena lukis lah dulu. Kan? So, saya nak ajar awak lukis kan, nanti takut awak jawab exam lambat pula. Feeling. Ataupun kita cari sprite gold. Ada tak gold? Tak ada. Kena lukis tu, nampak gayanya. Lukislah dulu. Senang je. Boleh lah. So, kita dah pun lukis. Lebih kurang lah. Tapi dia tak boleh transparent. Kalau transparent, habislah dia tak detect. Boleh lah. Saya dah boleh buat. Dah. Yang kedua ni buang je lah. Okay. Saya dah dapat buat. Tapi tak cantik. Sorry lah. Yang tengah ni bagi dia hijau lah. Okay. Better lah turun sikit. Kecil pula. Besarkan sikit. Takut buang masa awak kalau duk main adjust benda ni. InsyaAllah boleh lah. Okay. So, awak nampak go saya ni? Kalau tak nampak lagi tak tahulah. Adjust sikit bagi saya ingat. Kita tadi nak usik, nak masukkan dia punya nyawa for the soccer ball. So, kita dah buat forever. Okay, dia punya sifat dia move 10 step, and then if edge bounce, so maksudnya dia pergi sini. Nampak tak skor ni? Dah keluar nampak atas ni. Nampak tak skor? Dia dah complete lah tu. And then kita ada nak buat syarat lagi if touch goal. So macam mana kita nak buat? So kita masukkan control dia. Okay, if so touch goal ni kita kena cari touch apa? Goal ni mana goal? So kita kena bagi nama ni. Macam mana macam mana nak rename benda ni? Kita boleh rename sepatutnya.
Boleh je. Terus kat situ. Dekat sprite.
Ni kan? Sini kan? Custom.
Tak ada. Ni. Dekat sebelah kanan. Dekat sprite. Atas tu. Atas mata tadi.
Ni. Inilah yang saya nak namakan. Okay. Sebab dia ada kesan dia. So, contohlah sini. Kita nak if touching goal. Okay. So, kita nak letak sini. Masukkan A. masukkan tu goal. Ni goal. Nampak tak? Nampak? So dia dah jadi variable. Okay, goal tu dah jadi variable ni, goal ni. So ini pun kita boleh tukar nama ball. Bagi senang sikit. Band tak apalah, nama pendek senang sikit kita nak sebut. Okay, ni goal. Uduhnya goal kita. Okay, tak apalah. So bila ball ni sentuh dengan goal, kita akan kira skor dia. Okay, kita akan kira skor dia. Alright. And then kita nak bunyilah. Play sound cheese ke apa ke. So sound masukkan sound, masuk sound lah, menandakan masuk lah. Boleh ke ni? Okay, sound tu saya belasah je, ambil yang tu, janji ada sound dulu. And then bila masuk sini, dia update score di sini. Tambah 1 kita tak buat lagi tau. Kita tak buat lagi score ni untuk dia tambah 1. Tapi kita dah update kan, bila sentuh sini je dia akan bunyi yeay. Tapi saya nak kena cari suara orang bersorak lah, go cheese ke apa. Saya tepuk Hooray! Suara saya. So gitu. Okay, mungkin awak tak dengar kot. Okay, go. Okay, dah settle. Dah bunyi dah. Go, go. Okay, lepas tu kita nak change score. So kita kena pergi dekat dia punya variable. Okay, dan kita nak change score dia. So kita nak score ni takkan nak tolak, mestilah tambah. So dia akan update. So nampak ni initialize 0. So dia akan change. Once dia dah sentuh sini, dia akan tambah 1. Sentuh je tambah 1. Sentuh je tambah 1. Sebab dia if. Okay, ni nampak tak? If touching goal. Maknanya dia true lah, touch goal tu. So dia akan tambah 1. So go to go to motion. Mana go to? Sini boleh tukar. Okay, boleh. So kita akan pergi go to band lah. So dia bila go je dia patah balik sini. Okay, dia akan patah balik pada band. Alright. Habislah.
Di dekat sound sebelah tu.
Ni sini.
Tu saya pilih apa tu bawah tu.
Cheese
Di
ni.
dekat spot.
Spot. Okay. Basketball. Ni go cheese kan? Alright. Okay, ambil yang ni lah, cantik. Okay, go cheese. So kita boleh tukar balik dia punya code. Go cheese. Alright. So cantik. Okay, saya akan play jap untuk you all dengar. Okay, puas hatilah. So dia akan patah balik pada band. So saya explain balik di sini. Yang mula-mula ni untuk kita buatkan, ni nampak komen documentation. Ini kita panggil initialize. So this is initialize score to 0. Ni yang selalu awak belajar. Okay, initial salah eja lagi ke? Saya dah betul lah. Ya. Mengantuk ke? Seluk macam ni lah nak explain. Oh, ejaan salah ni. Okey, tak apalah, lantak dia ejaan salah. Saya rasa dah betul lah. Okay, initialize score to 0. First, ni memang first. First game, start. Start without any point of goal. Logik lah takkan nak start to point terus ada kan. So logik lah. Dan logik lah juga untuk repetition. Awal-awal initialize counter kita kosong. Tapi score ni bukan initialize counter. Yang initialize counter kita adalah time tadi. Okay, tak apa. Saya bagi documentation dulu pada you all. Kemudian go to mouse pointer. Ini sebenarnya go to mouse. Ini seperti mana yang saya beritahu tadi, dia akan ikut tangan kita. Alright. Lagi ini untuk apa ni? Ini adalah untuk the ball will not stop. Dia tak akan stop. It loop. Dia akan loop to move 10 step. And if on edge, okay, kalau bucu tu, it will bounce. And if on edge, okay. Okay, right. So faham itulah maksud dia untuk forever tu. And then yang penting lagi yang mana, yang ni if touch goal. Okay, goal yang kita dah lukis tadi warna hijau tu. Okay, if that ball touch that green kita goal lah. Goal. That score will add 1 point. 1 point. Dia bersama dengan yang bawah ni. Ni. Add 1 point to score. Okay. Add 1 to score. Score tu variable name yang kita letak tadi lah. If true So kalau dia true lah, kalau dia false dia tak akan buat, so dia just repeat sajalah. So kita tengok dulu pada yang band tadi. So band tadi, mana band? Ni band. Okay, band ni macam tak menjadi lagi ni. Apa yang silap lagi ni? Rasa macam dah betul lah. So yang ni adalah initialize counter. Yang sebenarnya untuk repetition set to 20 second. Okay. Ini yang selalu you buat ni. Okay, you guna nama I kan. So kali ni kita tak guna nama I, kita guna nama time. And then ini apa ni? Ini sebenarnya this will repeat. Dia akan repeat for 30 times. Kenapa 30 kali dia repeat? Sebenarnya boleh je banyak kali lain pun. Dan ini adalah countdown dia. Okay. Dia bukan countdown. Dia jadi countdown. Tapi sebenarnya dia ni adalah update value. So kita jadikan dia countdown by deduct 1. Nampak tak kita apply ilmu-ilmu yang kita, teori yang kita dah belajar sebelum ni. Sebelum ni korang mesti tanya ni nak buat apa, ni nak buat apa. Kali ni kita nampak dia punya penggunaan dalam atau cara yang sebenar. Dan ni apa ni? After, ni yang penting ke? After done loop, how many second dia loop? 20 second kan? After done 30 second loop, it will be stop. Yes, 30 second. After done 30 second, it will stop or include bouncing ball. Dia akan berhenti semua. Ini penting ni, stop ni. Kalau tak ada stop tu memang tak berhentilah dia. Ni apa ni? Ini pula adalah untuk the looping is never stop to run mouse and OU pointer. Alright, so macam tu cara dia. Tapi mana button time kita ni tak hidup-hidup ni? Apa lagi yang tak kena ni? Apa lagi yang tak kena ni? Dekat mana lagi? Tak apa, saya nak try tengok. Siapa? Sepatut klik yang bagus. Go. So dia akan update. Yeah. Cuma masalah sekarang, time kita ni macam tak jadi. Dekat mana? Oh, tak, dia kena klik. Baru nampak. So sorry satu lagi you kena write. So barulah dia keluar. Okay, barulah dia keluar. So time situ. Okay, kita stop dulu. Nampak dia countdown. Okay, 20 second. Masa dia kira. 2, 1, habis. Masalahnya masa tak stop. Ada problem. They have a problem. Okay, ada masalah ni. Kenapa dia tak stop? Saya rasa sini. Kena stop. Kejap. Kenapa dia tak stop? Kenapa dia tak stop? Sepatutnya stop lah kan? Bila time dia kita dah set 20, sepatutnya dia dah stop. Ada idea tak kenapa tak stop?
Kenapa saya tak explore?
20 second. Nak tunggu je. Saya nak tengok dia berhenti ke tak. Lepas tu skor dia pun tak clear kan. Tunggu jap tengok. Dia jadi negatif, tak stop. Aduh, hai. Sebab apa tak stop pula ni? Okay. Ada problem ni. Dia tak nak berhenti. Kenapa dia tak nak berhenti? Lepas tu skor pula. Skor pula tak clear. Sepatutnya lepas habis semua dia kena clear. Clear. Sebab skor ni bila dia start balik dia kena set kepada kosong. Oh, betul lah. Sekejap. Semula. Okay. What happened actually? Low band. Rasanya tak boleh guna click flat ni. Ah, 20 lama sangat kita buat 15 ke. Nak kaji jap. If click set the time 15. Kalaulah tak. Kalau kita ya, cuba kita buat sama. 15 second juga. 14. Lima. 2. Yes, berjaya. Silap situ je. Okey. Bagilah tepukan pada saya. Dah berjaya selesaikan masalah.
Tahniah.
So, yang repeat ni yang sebenarnya yang ni. Repeat ni mesti seiring lah dengan waktu yang kita nak. So 15 lah. Sekarang awak set 20 lah repeat dia. Okay? So anda boleh cuba buat dulu. Dah tengok kan? So saya akan postkan video ni ke YouTube. So you all boleh melihat lah nanti.